Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best GoPro is probably one of the most versatile action cameras on the market, perfect for capturing your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or just starting out, this camera offers incredible image quality and durability. With its compact design and array of features, it's designed to document your experiences in stunning detail, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves to record their life. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black, 5K Action Camera. This camera shoots stunning video up to 5K resolution. It maintains serious detail, even when zooming in. The new 23.6 MP sensor brings lifelike image sharpness and fluid motion. Capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20 MP clarity. Super Photo automatically picks the best image processing for you. It's super easy to nail the shot with this feature. A new, larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom makes it feel familiar. A dazzling new front display makes framing and camera control intuitive. This design makes it easy to use. Get 30% longer battery life with the larger 1720 mAh battery. This lets you shoot more without swapping batteries. It packs enough power to handle the cold. Experience ultimate smoothness with the most advanced video stabilization ever. HyperSmooth 3.0 enables in-camera horizon leveling and boost in all settings. It makes your videos look professional. What we like. This camera boasts stunning 5K video, ensuring every detail is captured with incredible clarity. It also features a front display for easy framing and a larger rear touchscreen. If you're looking for a camera that delivers both exceptional video quality and user-friendly features, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Simple and easy to use. I was surprised with the image quality and different camera focal points available. The extra settings it comes with is just the icing on the cake. I've used it probably 20 times and each time it's rolling for at least a few hours at a time, but most of the time it's on for like 10 hours. I have a great system, which includes a bunch of batteries and SD cards. I've had no problems with it overheating or not working. I've had no issues with footage randomly disappearing or being corrupted. I've used it in cold, high wind and rain conditions in November, as well as straight 90-degree sunlight in the summer. Good sound quality for the microphone, good quality video captured. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black, 5K Action Camera. This camera shoots stunning video with up to 5K resolution. It's perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. You'll be amazed by the clarity. Capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20 MP clarity. The Super Photo feature automatically picks the best image processing for you. It makes your photos look fantastic. A new, larger rear touchscreen with touch zoom and a dazzling new front display makes framing and camera control easy. This design makes the camera very user-friendly. Live stream in 1080p on social media, and get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast. It also works as a webcam. This feature is very convenient. Experience the ultimate smoothness with the most advanced video stabilization ever. The footage will be incredibly stable. It's perfect for action shots. Record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move on the road, on foot, or anywhere else. This feature adds a creative touch to your videos. Shoot in the gnarliest conditions imaginable. This camera can take it. It's tough as nails and waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box. It's ready for any adventure. What we like. With its 5K video capabilities, this camera allows you to capture every moment in stunning detail. The HyperSmooth 3.0 stabilization ensures your footage is incredibly smooth, even in the most action-packed scenarios. If you enjoy recording fast-paced activities, this camera's stabilization will be your best friend. What people say. The camera's image stabilization is excellent, resulting in smooth videos even during action-packed activities. The GoPro's compact and rugged design makes it ideal for various outdoor adventures. The wide-angle lens captures a broad field of view, perfect for immersive footage. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black Action Camera. This camera makes it easy to capture your adventures. Simply charge it up, and it will automatically create a highlight video for you. The camera features a revolutionary new image sensor. This technology allows it to capture stunning photos and videos. You'll be amazed by the image quality. It delivers incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos. It captures high-resolution photos and videos. It also supports high frame rates, perfect for capturing fast-paced action. The camera includes Emmy Award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization. This ensures your videos are smooth and steady, even in the most action-packed situations. What we like. This camera introduces a revolutionary new image sensor, enhancing both photo and video quality. It also comes with award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization, ensuring your footage is incredibly smooth. If you want top-tier image quality and stability, this camera is the one for you. What people say. The ability to record at high resolution is great. The camera can operate at various resolutions and frame rates, allowing both time-lapse and slow-motion video. The stabilization makes even handheld shots look smooth, and it's super easy to set up and use. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. This is the Hero 10 Black, a waterproof action camera. It features front LCD and touch rear screens. It's designed to capture your adventures in stunning detail. The new GP2 engine makes everything faster and smoother. It offers responsive touch controls and double the frame rate for incredibly smooth footage. This is the fastest processor GoPro has ever made. Capture amazing photos and videos with the Hero 10. It shoots in 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and takes 23 MP photos. You can also grab still photos from the video, and it offers 8x slow-mo at 2.7K. Get fine detail and stunning contrast, even in low light. The new lens cover repels water and reduces lens flare. This ensures your images look their best in any condition. HyperSmooth 4.0 is the smoothest stabilization yet. It offers improved low-light performance and horizon leveling. Your footage will always look perfectly straight. Transferring your photos and videos is super easy and fast. You can upload wirelessly via the Quick app or use a wired USB connection. It also offers unlimited cloud storage with auto-upload. What we like. Featuring a revolutionary GP2 processor, this camera offers faster performance and smoother touch controls. It captures stunning 5.3K video and includes HyperSmooth 4.0 for incredibly stable footage. If you're looking for a camera with responsive performance and top-notch stabilization, this is the perfect choice. What people say. During a couple of weeks in really rough terrain in the Karoo Desert in South Africa, it was constantly falling off the dash and rolling around on the floor in the Land Cruiser while we bashed our way over rocks and through impossible gullies. It fell out the door and bounced on the rocks. It got thrown in and out of vehicles, just in an outside pocket of my backpack. It soaked all of that up with no complaint. Great video quality, huge improvement over the 7 Black that I also own. This camera is verified waterproof. We've taken it on several trips, and it has done an amazing job capturing high-quality videos and photos underwater. We've also used it for recording road trips and drives. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black Action Camera Bundle. This is the Hero 11 Black. It has a revolutionary new image sensor, giving you the largest field of view ever on a Hero camera. It allows you to capture more of the world around you. With 5.3K video, this camera captures action with incredible detail and cinematic quality. The water-repelling lens cover helps eliminate lens flare, making your videos even more stunning. The Hero 11 Black boosts photo resolution up to 27 MP and delivers 5.3K 60 video. You can even record 2.7K 240 video for amazing slow-motion shots. It allows you to catch every detail. HyperSmooth 5.0 has won awards for its incredibly smooth footage. It includes Horizon Lock and Auto Boost for maximum stabilization. No matter how shaky the footage, it comes out silky smooth. This bundle includes the GoPro Hero 11 Black camera, a 50-in-1 accessory kit, 2 extra batteries, a 64GB microSD card, and a microfiber cloth. It has everything you need to start capturing amazing content right away. What we like. This camera features a new image sensor, delivering an expansive field of view and exceptional image quality. It also boasts HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization with Horizon Lock. If you're seeking the ultimate in image quality and stability, especially for action shots, this camera is your ideal companion. What people say. The ability to turn it off and on, record, save, and edit videos from my phone with this camera is amazing. Stability is great. It's got all nice features on it and works well, thank you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.